Hello, today we still study tangent and normal line. Okay, here's the problem. Find equation of the tangent and normal line to the curve of y equal x squared minus x plus 3 at point 2 and 5. Okay, first of all, what is tangent line? Tangent line tangent line had the form y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. Okay, where m is the slope of the curve, and also m is the slope of tangent line. So tangent line have the slope same with the curve at that point 2 or 5. Okay, 2 and 5, or any point on the curve. Okay, so the slope will be calculated by the derivative m equal y prime, okay, of that function. Okay, that means f prime x, okay, and the normal line through that point, the point on the curve of a function will also equal y to put that point x1 y1 y minus y1 equal m prime. The slope is different, m prime x minus x1. Okay, but m prime equal, okay, since tangent line and normal line perpendicular. Okay, so tangent line m and m prime right here, they perpendicular, so m prime will be equal 1 minus 1 over m. Okay, but m equal y prime, so equal minus 1 over y prime. Okay, that's all you need to know to find to solve the problem, the equation. Okay, so again, tangent line of a point of the curve at the point x1 y1 will be equal y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. M is the slope of the tangent, also it's the slope of the line go through that point, and m will be equal y prime, the derivative of that function at that point. Okay, and normal line perpendicular with tangent line also have the formula y minus y1 equal m prime times x minus x1. M prime is the slope of normal line, so m prime will be equal minus 1 over m. Okay, since m prime and m perpendicular, so m prime will be equal minus 1 over m. Okay, but m equal y prime, so m prime can calculate minus 1 over y prime. Okay, so let's do this example. Okay. Okay, find equation of the tangent and normal line to the curve. Normal line to the curve y equal x squared minus x plus 3 at point 2, 5. Well, you don't have to draw it. This is parabola, and that the tangent will go through that point. X equal 2 and y equal 5. Okay, so you can first of all, we need find the tangent line. Tangent line first. At 2 and 5. Okay, so now we have the formula y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. Okay, which y1 and x1 is the point go through the curve. Okay, the curve, the point are on the curve and also belong to tangent. So here we already have y1 and x1 equal x1 equal 2 and y1 equal 5. We need to find slope. Okay, slope. Since slope will be calculated by take the derivative of this. So m equal y prime derivative of that 2x minus 1. Okay. So tangent line up 2 phi. Okay, so at x equal 2 right here. At x equal 2, if you substitute here, then you will have m equal 2 pi 2 minus 1 equal 3. So the slope of the tangent line go through point 2 phi has to equal 3. So we apply that formula. We have y minus y1 is 5 equal m 3 x minus s1 equal 2. Okay, 3 multiplied in 3x minus 6. Okay, so you move 3x1, so you have you move minus 5 to other side, you have y equal 3x minus 1. Okay, so equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal x squared minus x plus 3 at point 2 phi is equal y equal 3x minus 1. Okay, so we can start there. Okay, the normal line at same point 2 and 5. Okay, we also have the formula y minus y1 equal m prime s minus x1. Okay, we have y s1 and y1. Okay, you can see that's properly. This is that's y equal x squared minus x plus 3. Okay, something like that. Okay, so this line right here, 2 and 5, it's right here. So we will have this. Okay, this point 2 and 5. Okay, and this is tangent line. 2 and 5. Okay, this line is y equal 3x minus 1. Okay, and this equation, if you wrap it, it's a parabola y equal x squared minus x plus 3. Okay, so m prime. Now we find m prime. Okay, we know m prime equal m prime is perpendicular with since the normal line perpendicular with tangent line, so m prime equal minus 1 over m. Okay, so minus 1 m equal 3, so minus 1 over 3. Okay, and we just substitute in this equation. So you have y minus y1 minus 5 equal m prime minus 1/3 x minus 2. Okay, so if you simplify it, multiply and simplify it, then you have y equal minus 1/3 x. Okay, and minus 5 you it's move the other side. If you tie 1/3 and you have plus 2/3, and you have 15 plus 15 over 7. So normal line will be equal y equal minus 1/3 x plus 15 over that's 15. No, 17 over 3. 17 over 3. That's it. Okay, 17 over 3. Okay. So we found tangent line y equal 3x minus 1 and normal line y equal minus 1/3 x. You can see this one, this number here is the slope of the line, minus 1/3 and 3 if you multiply in order it will equal minus 1. So that means this two line will be perpendicular, okay? And the equation of normal line is y equal minus 1/3 x plus 17 over 3. Okay, let's go to different example. Say 2, 5 equation of tangent to the curve two x squared plus y squared plus 2xy equal 5. At point one. Okay, remember this point belong to that curve. Okay, this is as equal 1 here. You will hit 2 plus 1 equal 3 and plus 2 equal 5, so 1. Okay, so similarly, we will find it. We will write the formula of tangent y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. Okay, so we have the point right here, y1 and x1. We just need to find the slope. The slope is the derivative of the equation. Okay, the derivative is not so for y, so we need to take implicit differentiation. Okay, so if you take that derivative, so m will be equal derivative of 2x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. That's the derivative. Okay, so we need to take the derivative of that. Okay, so equal 5. Take the derivative with both sides. Okay, this side 5 equal 0. Okay, the derivative of 2x squared equal 4x. Using implicit differentiation, the derivative of y squared. Okay, the derivative of y squared will be equal. Then take the derivative respect to x, not respect to y. So y is a function. So you have to go 2y squared, 2y, bring it down, use formula, and then multiply by y prime. Okay, and plus 2xy, that's the product of two terms x and y. So take the derivative of x times y, then you have 2y, and also take the derivative of y times x. The derivative of y is y prime. 2y prime x equal 0. Okay, remember y prime equal dy over dx. Okay. Okay, now we need to show for y prime. Okay. Okay, we can simplify 2. You have x plus y prime plus y plus y prime x equal 0. Okay. Okay, we have y prime here, y prime here. So we have like y prime x plus y and x plus y, x move over there. So minus x plus y minus x plus y okay, so we have oh, here you have 2x, okay. So minus 2x plus y. Okay, y prime x plus y equal minus 2x plus y, then y prime will be equal minus 2x plus y divided by x plus y. Okay, that's the derivative of this function. Okay, okay. Now we need to take the slope of the tangent line through this point 1, 1 is equal derivative at this point, derivative of this function at this point. So all you have to do is just put x equal 1 here and y equal 1 here. You will find y prime. Okay, okay. So y prime of 1, 1. Okay. So x equal 1 here, you will go minus 2 plus 1. Okay, and here 1, 1 is 2. 2 plus 3, 1 is 3, minus 3 over 2. Okay, so y prime equal 3, y prime at point 1, 1 equal 3 over 2. Okay, so we found the slope, and now we just substitute in this equation. So now y, okay, y1 equal 1 equal m equal minus 3 third x minus 1. Okay, and you can actually okay, so here you can simplify one more. So y equal minus 3 half x, and if you multiply minus 3 half times minus 1 is plus 3 half and plus 1, so equal 5 over half. So y equal minus 3 half x. 3 half plus 1 is 3 half plus 2 over 2, that's 5 over 2. Final answer will be y equal minus 3 half x plus 5 half. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here, and then I will continue with more problem next time. Okay, so just remember, okay, tangent of the line is also, you need to, if you find the tangent line of the curve at that point, then you need to find the slope of that line. Okay, the slope of the line also is the slope of the curve. Okay, so in order to find the slope of the curve, the line, you just need to find the slope of the curve. The slope of the curve m will be equal y prime. So take the derivative of that curve. Okay, y prime, and then you find y prime, and then you just substitute in this formula, that tangent. Okay, and similar, y minus y1 equal m prime x minus x1. Okay, m prime is a slope of a normal line. Normal line is perpendicular with tangent line. Normal line is have the you only need to find the slope of normal line based on tangent line. So at first of all, you always have to find the tangent line, and then from tangent line you just inverse that m. Then you have a normal line. So m prime will be equal minus 1 over m. Okay. So if you find tangent line equation, then you can easily find normal line equation. Okay, I guess I stop here, since it's very, like we need to practice more problem. You don't have to draw or to graph the curve and the tension line if you don't want to. Okay, so in test you just, if you don't have time to graph, just go ahead and do the calculation, do on algebra and using formula, and find the equation of tension and the equation of normal line. Just use this formula of tension: y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1, and this one y minus y1 equal m prime times x minus x1. But m prime this case will be equal minus 1 over m. Okay, m is the slope of tension, and m prime the slope of normal line. And normal line and tension line is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Okay. All right. Thank you, and I see you next video.